Hey guys, I want to make this quick video on how to start buying stocks. Now, I am not a stock expert, I do want to clarify that, but I have a lot of friends that are starting to buy stocks right now and they have no idea on the basics of buying stocks. I'm literally teaching them the basics and I'm just like, guys, like you can't just throw money at stocks and expect it to win. And I've talked to my friends that have started, they have contacted me and just had conversations, but it's just crazy that their lack of information. They just think that because the stock is down, it's gonna go back up, and it's not always the case. I highly advise you to learn the basics. The book I'm reading right now is called The Intelligent Investor. It's by Benjamin Graham. This is actually a really cool edition. It's the revised edition. I got it for $8 at Half Price Books. But what's really cool about this edition is it's actually I forget who did the editing. Commentary by Jason Zewig. I don't know who that is, but he does a really good job of kind of further explaining what he was talking about. Because Benjamin Graham wrote this book like 60 years ago, and in like the third edition, I want to say, or second or third edition, which was like in the 70s, which was the last edition he did. It was right in the middle of or right before the bust that happened in the 70s. And like I said, there's booms and busts every 10 years, but it's not, like I said, just because the stock goes down doesn't mean it's going to go back up. So it's very important to know the basics. It's very important to know the fundamentals. And right now it's so easy to buy stocks. It's so attainable. Like myself, obviously I have some stocks, but I'm still not to the point where I'm confident giving other people advice, and unfortunately there are a lot of people giving advice. I've seen some videos as they're basically just reading diagrams, which is so simple to do. Anybody could do it. It makes you feel like you could be a stock millionaire in the next year. I totally get it, and I just think that that kind of excitement is awesome, but just be smart about it. He really talks about how to be a defensive investor. Where's this quote at? He had a quote that I really liked, and he said, "Aspire to be adequate." I was like, wow, that's awesome. Like, he talks about really just being a defensive investor. Like, don't expect a home run every time. He also talks about buying 10 different stocks. So if you can't afford to buy 10 different stocks right now, maybe just kind of save your money until you have more money. Also research more of the stocks that you're getting into. Like I said, I have a couple apps and whatever, but and I have a couple stocks, but honestly, like some of my stocks I got for free from sending referrals. I'll send you a link. It's from Robinhood. You get like one free stock. Then I have some stocks I bought like years ago, but still, guys, just learn the basics, learn the fundamentals. There's gonna be a lot of stuff in here. If it doesn't make sense, just Google it. That's what I did. I'm not even all the way done with it, but this book has helped out a lot just to fill in the gaps of what I didn't know. But guys, please just do your homework. Don't just put money into it thinking, like, I'm only advising people because I only made this video because a friend of mine told me that his friend was wanting to like sell his car to buy stocks, and he had to talk him out of it. He's like, oh, I don't really drive it anymore, and blah blah blah. And he's like, yeah, but you will at one point. Like, he's like, I know, but I could make all this money buying stocks, and he had to talk him out of it. And I don't know if he ended up selling his car or not, but it's crazy what's going on right now. I know that we're in the middle of this pandemic, and I know there's a lot of stocks that are on sale right now, but do your homework. All right, thanks.